children, welcome to the computer class of 6th standard. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 10, e-commerce, blogging and podcasting. Today in this video we will discuss the following topics from pages number 126 till 129. We will discuss blog, creating a blog, viewing and editing your blog. First of all, let's discuss what is a blog. Blog is an easy way to create a website that allows users to share their thoughts with the world. A word blog comes from the word weblog. The topic of a blog can be anything from your personal to professional life. A blog is what you make of it. Blogging can be an interactive activity. Readers can add comments to your blog's postings. Other persons can respond and thus the conversation can start. Now let's discuss the steps to create a blog. Where the first step to create blog is double click on Google Chrome icon on the desktop. Step number 2, open the site www.blogger.com. There you can see. Click on Create Your Blog option. After clicking on Create Your Blog option, sign in by using your username and password and select your blogger profile. Let's do it practically now. First of all, double click on Google Chrome icon on your desktop. And there you will see Google Chrome screen will open on your screen. Now type here www.bloggers.com and after typing name, press the enter key. Click on blogger.com link and there you can see the first screen will appear on your screen. Now click on Create Your Blog option. After clicking on Create Your Blog option, you need to type your password and username. Here you can see I am using my Google account to open Blogger's website. Now after entering your username and password, you will be welcomed to the Blogger's screen. Now click on Create Blog option. Now here you will see after clicking on Create Blog button, you need to specify the title of your blog and click on Next button. Then type the URL of your blog and click on Save button. And then you will see your blog is created. Let's see it practically now. Now here you will see after clicking on Create Blog, you will be asked to type your title for your blog. After typing title, click on Next button. Then you need to type the URL of your blog. Here I am going to type the address of the blog that we have created. 1. News Masala and there you can see I have typed 01. Now this is available address of my blog and it is created on .blogspots.com. After clicking on save, you will see my blog is created. Now here you can see Masala News blog has been created. Now there you can see we can cross this button of notification. Now by default there is no post. Now here we will see how to add the contents to blog or how can we make a post. Let's see. First of all, we will open our Blogger account. Then we need to click on New Post button. There you can see, after clicking on New Post button, we will type the text. We will make required changes like formatting of the text. And after that, we have to click on Publish button. And after clicking on Publish, we need to confirm our post. So we will click on Confirm button. Let's do it practically now. Now here you can see by default no post is here. If we want to post anything on our blog, we just simply click on New Post button to create new post. After clicking on New Post button, you will get a window where you need to type the text. We can also insert picture. We can also insert video. Now see, here I am going to type the text. So before that, I will take any heading style. Then I will take the numbered list. Now here I am going to type the text that I want to display on my post. On August 23, 1999, Blogger was launched by Pira Labs. Now here you can see I am typing the title of my post, Know Your Blog. Now select the text and do required changes according to your choice. Now here I have changed the color of the text. I will make it bold. And after making changes in your text, click on this Publish button. After clicking on Publish button, you need to confirm your post. After clicking on Post button, now here you can see your post has been posted in your blog. Now here we will see how to edit and view our blog that we have posted. Let's see. Number 1, first of all, we will open our Blogger account. Then we will click on our post. We will make required changes. After making required changes, we will click on Update button. And here you can see after clicking on Update button, we can click on Preview Post button to see the changes has been made in your post or not. Let's see it practically now.
Now first of all, open your post. Now here you can see you can do required changes of your choice. I am changing color of the text. Also, I will select the text and make its alignment to justify.
Now here you can see I have made required changes. Now click on Update button to save the changes. After clicking on Update button, you will see your changes have been saved in your post. Now to view it, click on Preview Post button. And here you can see the preview of your post. Now let's see how can we edit our profile. Here are the steps. Step number 1, open your Blogger account. Step number 2, click on Settings option. Step number 3, do required changes of your choice. Let's see it practically now. Now click on your Blogger account. Click on Setting option. And from here you can do any required setting of your choice. You can edit your profile and blog. You can also invite others to view your blog. And you can also add them as your member of the blog. Now let's see how can we change the appearance of our blog. Where step number 1 is open your Blogger account. Then click on Layout option. Then click on Add Gadget option. Then click on plus sign to add the gadgets or any of the page element. And after selecting the page elements, click on Save button. Let's do it practically now. Now first of all open your Blogger account, then click on Layout. After clicking on Layout option, you will see the different gadgets on your blog window. To add any gadget, just click on Add a Gadget option. Click on any page element of your choice. For example, here I am going to click on Blog Search. After clicking on this blog search page element, click on Save button so that the page element will be added to your blog. Now again I am going to add one more page element, that is followers. After clicking on page element, I will click on Save button. Now these page elements have been added into my blog window. Now here we will see how to sign out from our Blogger account, where step number 1 is open your Blogger account, do required changes, then click on Google account thumbnail, and at last click on Sign Out button. Let's do it practically now. Now open your Blogger account and click on your Google account thumbnail and click on Sign Out button. After clicking on Sign Out button, you will be logged out or signed out from your Blogger's account. Now let's see how can we view our blog, where step number 1 is double click on Google Chrome icon. Step number 2, type the URL address of your blog in search box and press the enter key. Let's see it practically now. Now first of all double click on Google Chrome icon on your desktop. And here you will see Google Chrome window will appear on your screen. Now type the URL address of your blog and press the enter key. And here you will see your blog will open in front of you. Till now we have discussed the following topics from pages number 126 till 129. We have discussed blogs, how to create a blog, and we have also discussed how to view and edit our blog. Now revise all the terms, cross questions and do the practice of the same till done.